check out Bird's Eye View. What's
Do we
up?
have more stuff?
We need a lot more stuff.
Okay. This is like really heavy.
Yeah, it's gonna be able to take this bad boy. This cardboard thing will not take this thing though.
Tim, how do you feel about this project?
Interesting.
Do you think it's going to be a success?
I think we need a lot of work still.
Okay.
We have a week.
What's your favorite color?
I don't really have a favorite color.
Oh, he's lame.
I'm sorry.
All right.
What?
This base is not gonna take any weight. It's
Okay. Yeah, good choice, Tim.
hey, I try.
So,
Put it on. Just go. It's okay. It's good. Keep going. This cardboard base is awful.
not working at all.
Note to
These are
self:
like really
actually
heavy
use
weights
a right.
to start out with, but whatever.
The
No,
base
this
is not
is-
gonna take it.
Yeah, it's really not. Tim, why did you choose this
The
base?
tower's okay.
Wow.
The tower's fantastic.
Wow.
The tower is still working. Just keep
Oh,
going.
yikes.
Keep going. We're gonna hold it by the tower supports now.
Okay, this is the last thing I have.
Lisa, you might have to go get some more.
All right.
I'll get more.
Okay.
This is a terrible idea. Tim, really?
Okay.
It's gonna bend around the
Keep going.
cardboard.
Keep going.
This is stupid.
Go, go for
And it bent around the cardboard.
It's okay. It's
It's
still
not
alive.
okay because it's gonna it's gonna fall. Fine. Fine. See? Yep. Yep. Mm-mm. Shit. I ripped the cardboard.
Beep. I
Damn.
ripped the cardboard.
Damn.
It's okay.
No, it's not. And the joint broke.
Well, Adam, this is our tower.
The base needs to be
Maybe
thickened.
if we
You
did
need to thicken the base. That's
if
the
we
lesson
put
we have
the thing
learned.
on the other side too. These things on this side.
We
we
just
do that?
need to
I think,
have like a base to have like an actual.
Shouldn't two things be like this on the bottom? Wouldn't that
But
make
we
it?
can't put
Oh,
anything
that's
on it.
true. Damn this.
And the joints are all messed up. And we're using tape and the joints are messed up.
This looks like.
It's promising.
All right.
No, we're gonna keep going.
Are we?
We can use this. I don't know how this is gonna work.
We need to do a thing here.
All right. Part 2 in a minute.